Guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I am going to be showing you my new DIY watermelon nails. So let's get on with the video. What you will need for this DIY is some red nail polish, preferably red going to like some sort of pink, not a dark red, preferably more light. A green, and you're gonna need some black nail polish, not too much, but I'll show you what I mean later. I'm going to be using a base coat. You don't have to use a base coat, but I prefer to. This is a peel off base coat, which makes it easier to take off your nail polish later on. And you're going to be needing a top coat. Also, to make the watermelon seeds, you will need a tool like this one for dotting, or you could use a brush like this one and you can make little stripes. I will be using this today, but you can also use a brush of any kind that's really thin. So let's get on with the video. Okay, guys, so first I will be applying my peel off base coat. Guys, so now that the base coat has dried, we're going to start our design, and we're going to use the red nail polish, and then we're going to paint our nail up to there, and then the rest of it is going to be painted with green nail polish, and then we're going to add our seeds and so on and so forth. So let's just start painting our nails with the red. Yes, as you can see, I have painted my nails with the red nail polish, and now I am going to be applying the green to the tip, and then after I'm going to be using a brush such as this one or something similar to create a borderline between the red and the green so they don't bleed together. So let's just get on with the video. Okay guys, so as you can see, I have finished painting the tip of my nails with the green nail polish, and this is what it looks like. And now we are ready to do the seeds on the nail, and that is done with the black nail polish and either a dotting tool or a brush. Now I was going to use the dotting tool, but I found that it does the seeds way too round and it wouldn't really give it the effect I'm looking for. So I'm going to use the brush instead, and I'm just going to make little dashes. I'm going to do 3. One in the middle and then 2 on the sides. So I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. Okay, so as you can see, I did the little seeds and I did them sort of like dashes, not just dots, so it looks more like a watermelon seed. And now I am going to go into the final step and add our top coat. So let's get on with that. Guys, so this is the final design, and I hope you guys liked the video, and go subscribe down below for more videos like this, and click the little bell next to that so you never miss my videos. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.